I got my first ever truck, but it already has a problem that I gotta fix. This key fob doesn't work. Let's get that fixed. So here we have the key fob. You can see there's a little notch right here that we can just put a little flathead screwdriver in and gently pry, like that. And once it starts to open up, just work your finger around, just not to mar up the plastic with a metal screwdriver. Separate the clamshell. There's our battery. You can see it is a 2032, which is just the dimensions. So we'll pull that out. And then we'll get our new battery. Give a quick look over at the circuit board, make sure there's no major corrosion, and it looks pretty darn good. And I actually do have the part here that goes to the key ring, and we can just cover that up. Test it out. You see the light. Thanks for watching.